Welcome to Napoleon Daily's Discipline, where comfort dies and your next level begins. If you are not ready for the truth, now is the time to leave. Let's get this straight. You did not get stuck, you chose stuck every time you hit snooze. Scroll mindlessly, avoid the gym, or say, "I shall start tomorrow." You are silently voting for the life you secretly hate. The truth, you are not trapped. You're just addicted to your own excuses. Say you want change, but your actions beg for comfort. You want clarity, but you will not sit in silence. You want success, but you cannot last 24 hours without numbing your mind with Netflix or endless scrolling. Harsh reality number 1. Nobody is coming to fix it. Not your parents, not your boss, not your favorite influencer, no one. Harsh reality number 2. You have romanticized your pain so much you think struggle is your identity. You have been wearing failure like it is your personality, and here is the one mindset shift that can break it all. Stop asking, "What do I feel like doing?" Start asking, "What would the best version of me do right now?" Discipline isn't about being in the mood. It's about moving even when you're not. You're not lazy. You are undisciplined. And that is not a flaw. That is a choice. It's a fixable one. But only if you kill the lies and face the mirror.
Ow.
This is Napoleon Daily's Discipline. No fluff. No fake hype. Just real transformation. So if you are done lying to yourself, subscribe, share, and step up. Because discipline is not motivation, it is war. And we are here to win it.